basically, I came across Sparsa when I was browsing online. So my hospital's primary requirement was that we wanted to engage the public in some form of, you can say, digital media, some form of equipment. And also, like for daily routine, the schedules and everything, we were using the system of whiteboard. So basically, first of all, our primary aim was to get rid of the whiteboard system. We wanted something so that it's easier for us to update every day, and that is equally engaging as well. It was a very smooth process with them. I think the process, the communication, their team was everybody was very professional. And finally, once the product was with us, it was a wonderful experience. So it was not only just that we were able to update our data online, but apart from that, there were few posters and there were a few health informative posters which we could also use alongside that information. So that was public engaging as well. Yeah, definitely. You guys have a variety of products, as I can see online. But our requirement was just limited to one. But yes, possibly in future, we'd like to connect up with you for more such products.